plants, they thrive in the perfect zone. Too hot or too cold and they'll moan and groan. It's all about balance from the sun to the soil. Let's keep the temperatures right, let the garden uncoil. Highs and lows, where the plants will grow. Find this sweet spot, let the harmony flow. Too much heat, they'll wither away. Too much cold, no blooms today. When the heat is high, the leaves will droop, the flowers will fall, and the stems lose their loop. Evaporation steals the water's grace, the plants cry out in the sun's embrace. But keep them cool with water and shade, let the breeze flow through the garden you've made. Each plant has its own, its tolerance defined. Build the highs and lows, and you'll stay aligned. Highs and lows, where the plants will grow. Find the sweet spot, let the harmony flow. Too much heat, they'll wither away. Too much cold, no blooms today. When the frost creeps in, it's a bitter game. The cells freeze up and the plants feel pain. Tender greens turn brown and dry. Cold snaps come and the plants can die. But keep them warm with a blanket of care. A greenhouse glow, or soil to share. Know your crops, their range is key. The one thing need for life to be. Listen my friend, it's all in the range. From the coldest nights to sunlit plains. Tomatoes love heat, but lettuce stays cool. Learn the tolerance and you'll grow like a pro in school. Highs and lows, where the plants will grow. Find the sweet spot, let the harmony flow. Too much heat, they'll wither away. Too much cold, no blooms today.